little monkeys. Taylor, Stella, Asher, Jacob, and Curtis. And the duck. Do you remember when we were talking about how important it is to follow directions? Well, in this story you'll find out why. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Taylor fell off and bumped her head. Ow! Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." We won't. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Stella fell off and bumped her head. Ouch! Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed. You're gonna get hurt." Sorry. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Asher fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Didn't I already tell you? No monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, we won't. We don't want to get hurt. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Jacob fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Now no more monkeys jumping on that bed." I won't. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys right to bed."